Good day, everyone. Welcome to our second activity. In this activity, we will discuss about variable and input function. So, what is a variable? In computer programming, variable is used to store certain information, and that information can be utilized or can be manipulated throughout the program. Now, let's discuss the four basic variables in Python. First is the integer variable. It contains whole numbers or numbers that doesn't have any decimal point. Second is float variable. It contains numbers that has decimal point. Third variable is the string variable. String variable are treated as text and it contains alphanumeric characters. The fourth type of variable is the Boolean variable. Boolean variable contains two possible answers such as true or false or yes or no. Now let's begin with the first type of variable, the integer. Let's say we want to assign a certain amount of price, 56. The float variable, we want this to be a rating, 4.5. The string variable, name. Since it is treated as text, we have to make sure that we will be using double quotation mark or single quotation mark. Boolean variable. In this type of variable, we have to be careful because the program will not read if we are using a space character. So instead, we will be using a underscore character. Today is Sunday. False. And last, we have to make sure to use the print function in order for us to see if our code is working. Print, open close parenthesis, price. Print, open close parenthesis, rating. Print, open close parenthesis, name. Print, open close parenthesis, today is Sunday. Because variables are used to store information, so what we did here is that we just input the variables. See, name, rating, price, today is Sunday. Now let's try to run our code. There you have it, guys. The integer variable 56, the float variable 4.6, the string variable, my name Adrian, the boolean variable is false. So what about if you want to update a certain variable? Let's say our price, we want to make this one as 60. So we don't have to erase the previous variable. Let's add another variable. Price of 57. So the integer variable changed because the program reads it. The program updates the previous variable instead of reading it as an error. Now let's proceed with our input function. Print input function. It is similar to variable, however, let's try it first now. However, input what is your name space Just like the variable, it store information. However, input function is similar to um, the variable function, but it is asking the user to input a certain information, and that certain information uh, given by the user will be saved to another variable. Let's see what is like. So there you have it, no? What is your name? So let's start to input a certain information. I want to use a name of Mitch. So Mitch is stored to the name variable. Now let's try to see the result by using the print function. Print hi space plus the variable, the string variable name. Let's try to run the code. What is your name again? My name is Mitch. So there you have it. The certain information given by the user was saved in the string variable labeled as name. So that's the work of the input function. Now let's try again another question. Say fruit. Input what is your favorite fruit? Then print name plus certain comma plus favorite fruit is plus fruit. Let's try to run this one. So what is your name? My name is once again Mitch. And hi Mitch, what is your favorite fruit? My favorite fruit is grape. There you see, Mitch favorite fruit is grape. Now we have to make some minor adjustment with our code to make it readable. So you can see we have to add another space before the favorite. Now we just have to add space, and then after the is, you have to add another space. Once again, my name is Mitch. What is your favorite fruit? Grape. There you have it. That's the use of the input function and the variable. I hope you've learned something from my simple discussion. Thank you and keep safe, everyone.